1.
Create or download something. In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Object. Locate a ottoman. Look for something similar. Export mesh.
2.
In Blender, import your object. Delete unnecessary mesh from outliner. Make your object fit. When deleting faces, turn on depth buffer. Now we can select the entire mesh. On original, delete verts. Select yours, select original, join them. Select material, delete blank. Select checkerboard. Select your texture. Tweak UV if need be. If your texture is not there by default, in image, open image, do your thing. When done, save them. Delete shadow verts. Merge all to Studio Mesh _0. Save as shadow. In Sims 4 Studio, re-import meshes and textures. Done. Ooh, we used to have one of these many moons ago.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.